is during the rain. I got journey. I got journey. I got cheer. It's gonna be a good cheer. It's gonna rain though. I'm gonna need to wear poncho. Domino's pizza. That'd be the delivery excellence. Really, Domino's. You fall down though, because you know Domino's and they'll pick me up. People can hear me, little. It's raining. There's lots of rain going on right now. Actually, not much rain. Actually, it's like little tiny specks everywhere. Not even like rain. But it's still raining, and I don't like it. It makes it being very quiet right now because I don't want people to hear me. Look, hey, look, there's me. There's me. There's me over there. Look at this me. There's me. Look at me. Oh. This is not the barbershop. This is the gas station. Look at that hair. Look at that hair. It's amazing. Look at that hair. That angle is not funny. It's the gas station. It's not whatever I said it was. This is being, it's raining. I'm supposed to cheer today. I don't understand.